Fiber optics, the reason why we have telecommunication, satellite, and the holy internet. And it's also the reason why you and your best friend send those sassy texts overnight. So, yeah, fiber optics. Let's talk about it.
Oh, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment your ideas and thoughts. All right, don't forget that.
Well, fiber optics is just a study or a part of physics that deals with propagation of light through a fiber. Straightforward. Optical fiber is just a tube, a very tiny tube, in which the inside is covered with mirror. It's like if you bring a mirror and fold it and you make it very, very small and then very, very long, then it becomes an optical fiber.
Optical fiber is just a very, 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 very tiny tube, and that tube is covered in mirror from the inside. Now, assume that there is a laser, and that laser is transmitting data through blinking light. Now, those lasers, which are coherent by the way, and moving in a straight line, reflect inside the mirror at very high speed, more than the speed where electrons travel inside a conductive wire.
Now, how does it work? You see, an optical fiber transmits data using a beam of light. But to really show you how it practically works, I'm gonna make some circuits.
What I'm simply gonna do is build two systems, a sender and a receiver. The sender is just gonna be a blinking or a strobing LED light. And the other side is the receiver, which is made of solar panel, which is connected to an amplifier and finally to a speaker, so we can hear a beep sound.
Well, according to the animation, well, I've made a receiver. This bit is a solar panel, a smaller panel that can detect anything, that can detect sensitive light fluctuations. And this side is just a very simple amplifier circuit. And this is the speaker. It's a giant speaker, so we can hear the vibration, and that is my power source. So yeah, let's try it. Okay guys, now, what I'm gonna do is just send a quote-unquote signal, and the photovoltaic cell of the solar cell will pick it up, and we're gonna hear some kind of beeps. So, let's do it. Turning it on. Okay, can you guys hear it? There's a very, very, very soft, like, you know, it makes that kind of sound. Can you hear it? Okay, I hope you guys can hear it, but I don't think you can hear it, but there's definitely some sounds, you know, some kind of on and off thingy, which is good. Now, the next step is to send a real signal, a real spicy message.
Okay, now I'm gonna remove this part and add an amplifier circuit. This amplifier amplifies an audio signal that I'm gonna play a video about. Anyway, it's gonna amplify the signal and transmit it through the LED, and the LED, well, creates a blinking strobe, and the receiver receives it, and finally we're gonna hear an output. Let's do it.
Okay guys, now I've connected my... Okay, here's what I did. This is a Bluetooth device connected to my phone. And it will send signal, and this is an amplifier, and it will amplify the audio through this LED lamp. And then this solar panel will receive it and make a speaker, make music. Now, mind you, I don't know exact calibration because I did. Now, know that I did not calibrated well, because I don't know how much I don't know how much loud it can be. So let's just discover it together. All right. Okay, guys. Now I've connected my systems together. Well, this is an LED connected to, well, hold on. to a amplifier here from my Bluetooth device right here. Now this LED is gonna blink so fast that you even can't see it, just like this. This is how information is sent inside a fiber optic. The blinkings, those are highs and lows of the analog signal, and I'm driving it from my player right here, but I'm gonna show that to you in a bit. Now here is the solar panel over here, and it receives light, and that light is again amplified and through the speaker, so we can hear what exactly it's saying. And by the way, mind you, there's no connection at all. Two of them are separate circuits, very separate, and I'm not scamming you all. So okay, now let's do this. You see? You hear it? When you take it further, it dims. When you take it real close, it works louder. Now this circuit might need a correction because my amplifier is smoking right now. Yeah, well, this circuit needs improvement because my amplifier is frying right now because I'm driving it at 5 volt. Yeah, that, and the signal must be clean. And also, if we want to use and also here we are using a very Now, I hope you guys can understand how this thing works, how fiber optics work. And one more thing that I forgot to add is we can replace the LED with a laser pointer. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention is we can replace the LED with a laser. And when that happens, the LED stays coherent and straight beam no matter the distance. So if we put a laser over there and a solar panel over here, there's no difference in amplitude. So the amplification will be the same no matter the distance. That is exactly how an optical fiber work. And I hope you guys can, and this is shortly how an optic fiber work. I hope this was, fun a bit. Fun, and also you can distribute a message through a blinking light. So yeah, that is a blast. Well, if you like the video and want to have a share of an idea, please comment down anything. Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Well, better clean up this mess, eh? See you next week. See you next time.